Hi everybody, it's Deja, and it's the last day of school. Oh my god. The school year has probably my hardest, but I think I made the most happy memories. Since it's the last day of school, I decided to dress up a little bit more. Because I won't be able to dress up for a really long time, because the only time I really get to dress up is going to school. I know it's pretty pathetic, but I don't have a life. I just go to school. So, these fake eyelashes, some black and red lipstick. I just painted my nails black again because I haven't had black in a while. I'm wearing a cardigan, a tank top, and a black shirt. And also I'm wearing, you can't see that because I'm so black. I'm wearing my short skirt. I would have worn my net tights, but I think my high boots are enough. My high boots. My different pairs. Yeah. So that's my outfit. I have my hair pinned back on the side with a little bow. So, oh my gosh. I just can't believe it's the last day of my sophomore year. Can you guys believe it? I can hardly believe it. I'm kind of sad, I'm happy, confused all at the same time. This summer, I'm doing a lot more stuff. Like last year I said that I was gonna sew and stuff. Well, I didn't learn how to sew, but I didn't really sew that much stuff. Just got distracted. But I do have a job. I'm gonna be working at my old elementary school pretty much, doing office work, filing stuff. It's a good job, minimum wage, but whatever, I'm not complaining. It's nice on a resume for college and such. I'm gonna be doing some online classes, get ahead, I'm just trying to do my thing. I have made some really tough decisions, in the last couple hours. Not couple hours, but the last week or so. I finally got my learner's permit, finally. But the reason why I finally pushed myself to get my learner's permit was because I'm getting fingerprinted for my job, and I need an ID. So, yeah. I just need to get some stuff done, and I'm doing it. I'm doing these online classes. I got a job. Doing some more volunteer hours. Last day of school, so I usually bring snacks like cookies and stuff, but I've been so busy and so stressed that I haven't even brought any cookies or anything. I haven't baked anything. But even though a lot of people don't go to the last day of school, because in Florida, or where I'm at, the last week of school is just 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. And it's pretty much per anyone that wants to make up exams. I'm counting because, there's a few things I need to do that aren't really that important, but I'm going to do them. And also, just the last day that I'm going to have my friends in one place for, a few hours. I'm going to miss them over the summer. We can hang out, but not all of my friends are going to be there at once, and I have a bunch of different little groups of friends, so. Well, I better get to my last day of school. I'll see you guys later. I love you all. Bye. And have a really great summer, because I think I will.